Now that you have purchased your Segway Powersports vehicle, you can head over to the App Store or Google Play to download the free app. To get started, first register your account, then head over to the General Settings to select your language. Other features accessible from the General Settings include changing the unit of measurement and information about the app. You can now access our airlock feature, which allows remote access and starting of the vehicle using your smartphone as a Bluetooth or cellular connected key. You can also start and stop the vehicle directly from your smartphone. From the app homepage, you can also easily access electronic power steering settings, allowing you to change the steering resistance. For further vehicle adjustments, we can head over to the Vehicle Settings tab. Extra settings are available for EPS as well as enable and disabling the airlock system. Adjustable parameters for airlock include unlocking distance with a smartphone and remote locking distance. For access to the SOS Alert Safety System, head to the Smart Service tab under Vehicle Settings. SOS Safety System alerts a nominated emergency contact by SMS should the vehicle encounter a collision. Additional features include Driver Safety Alert that notifies the driver should the vehicle exceed safe roll angle limit, and Low Power Consumption Mode, ideal for protecting the battery during long period of vehicle storage. There is also an Abnormality Alert that notifies the owner of the vehicle should the vehicle move beyond a set distance. In this tab, you will also find the T-Box Upgrade Facility. From the home page, you can view real-time data about the vehicle, including remaining mileage, fuel level, total mileage, vehicle performance, speed, acceleration, and torque. By clicking on the Map tab, you can enjoy our wireless Team Up feature that makes it super easy to ride with your buddies. Easily create a team. Change the map style. With setup now complete, you can now make full use of our airlock feature and power off the vehicle.